Welcome to my channel, Mainframe Concepts, where we talk about mainframe concepts. For this video, I am going to show you how you can add another reader in MVS Turnkey and also submit jobs through the console. To do this, we need to check what readers are currently defined in JES2. As you can see, there is just one reader defined. We are now going to change the JES2 parameters to add another reader. We will use the system ID HERC01 to change the JES2 parameters. Please note, if you are not careful, your system may not start. So please proceed at your own risk. JES2 parameters are stored as a member in sys1.jes2parm. We will edit it and see how to add a new reader. Let's search for the parameter that defines this reader in the JES2 parm. Search for reader. We look at the current reader that is defined. It is called Reader1 and jobs submitted by default are in Class A. The unit is 00C. We look at the HERCULES console and see that the hardware attached to 00C is a reader. What we want to do is add another reader that will read the file in JCL/dummy. We have created a dummy JCL that we can submit. We are now going to create another reader. Let's go back to JES2 parm and duplicate reader1. Change the name to reader2. Then we go back to the HERCULES console and look for another reader that is defined. And change the device in reader2 to that device address, 10C. Next, we look for the parameter that defines how many readers we have and change that to 2 since we are adding another reader. Save the member and shut down the system so JES2 can pick up the updated parameters. Now we IPL the system. And wait. Now let's see if JES2 picked up the new reader. Yep, there's reader 2. Now let's look at the details for these readers. Reader 2 shows device 10C. Now let's check the dummy JCL we created. It's still there. Let's check what is running on the system. Now, let's start device 10C, and you can see that it picked up the JCL and JCL/dummy and submitted it. The job is printed on printer 1, so let's check the output. We navigate to the printer directory, but there are 3 printers. To find out which printer file to use, we look at the details of printer 1. It is device 00E. You can see this is the test job and it is job number 5. Now let us start reader 1 on device 00C and tell it to read the job in JCL/dummy. The job was submitted, it ran and is finished. Now, let us check the results. The job number is 7 and the printer file shows job number 7. There you have it. This is how you define a new reader in JES2. I hope you enjoy it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.